Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Today we're gonna dive deeper to statements. No, last time we'll tackle about the basic statement. Now we're gonna tackle more, um, still basic but more detailed one. No, we already talked about how to print text. No, we're just gonna use see out, double quotation. Do not forget the semicolon. So we're just gonna comment this. Also, in cout, you can also print numbers. Numbers. No? The numbers. We can also do subtraction, multiplication, those kind of things by using cout. It will automatically do the job. Just use plus 2 and we have 5, of course. Just don't forget the semicolon. Alright? And thirdly, new line. New line, no? Last time I presented NL. Now we are gonna talk about backlash N. One thing that is unique about backlash N is that you can put it inside of the text. Unlike NL, you need to do this and put an NL here. We're just gonna erase this and put the wait, put the NL backlash N right inside of the hello, and we will get the same result as NL. I mean, yeah, NL. If we um, remove this and we add NL, it will act the same way, but it's less code. No. So if you don't want any hassle, we're just gonna use backlash N. So that's all. That's all about the statement that you should know. Very simple. Now here is the exercise. I want you to create a main function wherein you are gonna print your name followed by a new line. You can use endl or backlash n. Use another cout to print your age. No, as we tackled here, we can print numbers. So I think that's just gonna be easy. Just don't forget the semicolon. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching.